Hello everyone, this is my review of the Smith's adjustable manual knife sharpener. The dial lets you select angles from 14 to 24 degrees, accommodating everything from pocket knives to thicker chef's blades. Great for keeping original factory angles intact. Two-stage sharpening in serrated slot. A coarse carbide stage quickly grinds down dull blades, while the fine ceramic stage hones them to a keen edge. There's even a fixed angle slot for serrated knives. It features a soft grip handle and non-slip rubber base. The replaceable abrasive inserts are a big plus. This sharpener removes a noticeable amount of steel, which may potentially too aggressive for frequent use. A solid pick if you want quick, versatile sharpening with adjustable angles, but treat it like a tool, not a toy. Use light pressure and follow up with a fine hone to preserve your blades longer. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.